Hello everyone and welcome back to my food channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of quesadillas. So without any further delay, let's start. So viewers, to make our quesadillas, here I have nearly all the ingredients. So I'll start with iceberg, and with that I have here a mixture of tomato ketchup and mayonnaise, and this is salsa. Along with that, I'm going to use some sausages, thinly cut, black pepper, salt, paprika, and grated cheese, along with sweet corn, and obviously some butter for the frying. So let's start. I'm going to put the sauce on the wrap first. So what I've done is, here I have taken the tortilla wrap, and on the tortilla wrap I am going to put some mixture of ketchup and mayonnaise. So just spread it evenly on the entire tortilla, and after spreading the ketchup and mayonnaise, here I am going to put some cheese on it, the grated cheese. Right, so on one side, only half a side of the tortilla, add the cheese, save some for the topping, and after this I'm going to add sausages, but only in on half the side of the tortilla, not the entire tortilla itself. And with that I'm going to sprinkle some paprika along with black pepper and some salt. Right, so after that, here I have some corn, sweet corn. So I'm adding sweet corn here, and along with the sweet corn, some iceberg. A little bit more will be of no harm. And on top of that, here I have another sauce, salsa, that I'm going to add. Now it's up to you how much salsa you want to put on it. It's entirely up to you. And last but not the least, cheese at the top. So once all of these things are nicely put on the tortilla, here I'm going to fold it. Now it's ready to go in the pan. So on a stove, put a pan and heat it a little bit, and then here I'm adding some oil to the pan so that I can fry my tortilla. So very gently I'm putting the tortilla wrap, which is going to turn into a quesadilla once I cut it into a triangular shape. So on medium to low heat, I'm going to fry the quesadilla. So I'm going to now flip the quesadilla once it's cooked from one side. But before that, one thing is left. I'm going to put some butter on the top so that it gets golden color once it's fried. So here I'm going to flip the quesadilla. Look at the beautiful golden color it has acquired. Now let it cook on the other side as well, on medium to low heat. And meanwhile, keep on turning it a little bit because the pan is quite hot now. So we don't want it to get a burnt taste. Very soon this will be ready. So here I am going to dish out our quesadilla. Right. So our quesadilla is ready now, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut this into triangles, and look at the cheese oozing out of the quesadilla. So once it's ready, just cut it into triangles and let's see what it looks like from the inside. Let me show it to you. Look at all the colors, the beautiful colors inside the quesadilla. So viewers, if you have liked today's recipe, like and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're able to see my upcoming recipes.